Hi everyone, it's Keyless Entry. Alright, so I'm down to my last lock of the American NOS, or New Old Stock locks that I got. So I picked the 205, the Series 10 and the Series 40. So I put them to the sides. The last one left is this US set, or US set 5200. And this one might be guttable. Oh, this is going the wrong way. There we go. It's got a nice chain on there. There are the keys there. Right, so I need the key. Just see if there's a screw down the shackle hole or not. There is, nice. So hopefully, yeah, we can definitely gut this one. I couldn't gut the others, but yeah. All right, let's get into the vise. These are nice and weighty too. Yeah, hardened shackle. Very, very nice padlock. Okay, let's get him in there. All right, same again, 1.2 millimeter and the same pick. So I'll go with the Lockout Buster 19 thousandths by Penny. All right, let's go. Okay, that feels like one binding straight away. It's almost giving me a counter here. Didn't fully drop. Might be overset. Okay, I'll leave one alone. 2 is definitely binding. Oh, I feel like it overset then. Doesn't come back down. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 right on the bottom. Click out of 4. That's 5 down the back. Whoa. Okay. Hopefully that wasn't an overset. I'll leave 1 alone. 2, 3. Yeah, I've overset 4. Can't full keep in 4. Just a gap in between there. Okay. 1. Okay, 1 and got some core movement there. That's a good sign. 2. Nice, more core movement. 3. Come on, 3. Okay, a little bit of counter rotation there. 4. Click out of 4. Okay, 5 down the back. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, click out of 3. Let's give me a counter now. Oh, no. A few more clicks. 4, 5. 1 still feels bindy. No. 2. Oh, it's overset 3. All right, start again. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 3 is all the way down the bottom. 3, 4. Couple clicks out of 4. 1, 2, 3. That's 4 again. 4. No. Okay, that was 5, and we got an open. Nice. Very, very clicky. I think it might have been 1 or 2 spools in this. Can't be certain, but we'll give it a gut. And I don't have my stuff ready, but that's okay. I've got most of my stuff in front of me. Yep. Okay. They came out pretty easily. Go. Okay, so we got a little 5-pin cylinder in here. I wasn't expecting that. Interesting. All right, lock him back up and get this guy along here, hopefully. Yep. Nice. All right. Shim and a key. Key and a shim. Got one here. Yeah, very, very short cylinder. I'm only used to seeing the 6-pin one, so this one just looks a bit strange to me. Yep, got one. There we go. All right, let's have a look-see. Yeah, just a little 5-pin cylinder. Cute. Awesome. And the pins are staying up because it's new old stock, so plenty of oil and grease in here. 3. Oop, lost that one. Okay. So all serrated key pins like you'd expect an American. Cute little 5-pin cord. Nice. Upstairs. Okay, let's see what we got. So one is a serrated spool. Serrated spool. Oh, another serrated spool. I thought there'd be more serrateds than spools, but there you go. All right. And springs. God, these springs are so tiny. Hey. All right. I'll just bring these up to the camera just a little bit. Just your average American pins. Sorry, it's a button microphone. As you can see, serrations on every single key pin. Then we got serrated driver in 1 and 5, and 2 to 4 are these nice, famous serrated spools. Very, very fun pick. Alrighty, so that was the US Set American 5200 picked and gutted. Thanks for watching and take care.